Did you know you can earn up to 150 to 200k every single week just by using your smartphone and data? No office, no boss, just work from your comfort zone. Let me show you how affiliate marketing is changing lives around the world. See me for the first time, I'm Coach Hannah, and I'm glad you made it to this point. Since you've made it to this point, this clearly shows that you are one of those who truly want financial freedom, and why everyone know that there is a lot of money on the internet that can help them become financially stable. Many people still don't know what exactly is giving people so much money on the internet space, and another thing is that they don't know where to start and who they should learn this skill from. I have been teaching people how to make money online, but I haven't teach something like this before. The secret I'm about to share with you is a mind-blowing one that will enable you start your online business immediately after you finish watching this video. I'm going to break everything down to make it's simpler for you to understand. So make sure to watch this video to the very end. Don't skip any part so you don't miss any vital information, and do well to subscribe to this channel because I always share weekly video on how to make more money and scale up your business. Turn on the notification bell so that once I post, you will be the first to see it. So before I go deeper to explain how you can start making all this money, I will want you to understand in depth what affiliate marketing really means. So to start with, affiliate marketing is a business model where you sit comfortably either in your house or any part of the world and advertise for companies online using only your smartphone and data. You can start affiliate marketing business from anywhere you are and in any country you are in this world. Hope you understand. Okay, so affiliate marketing business is one, but the product that we affiliate use to advertise are two types, which I will explain in details in this video for your proper understanding. The first product is physical product, while the second product is digital product. Hope you understand. Now, for the physical product, we deal with physical things like fan, clothes, cars, generator, kitchen utensil, name them, just anything your hand can touch. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote such product for companies and get your commission for it. For instance, if you have been to any big market square before, you will see all those people that will standing at the gate asking you, uncle, sister, what do you want to buy? Let me take you to my shop. Those people are not the owner of the shop. They are all affiliates. Once you tell them what you want to buy, they will take you to someone's shop that has the product that you want to buy. So after you must have bought it and left, the person that took you to that shop will go back to the owner of the shop, and the owner of the shop will give him or her money for bringing you to his shop. So that is what we do as an affiliate, but our own is not as standing under the sun and the rain. No, now if that was how our own is stressful, even personally, I will not be doing it. But our own is online. Everything we do is online, just with your smartphone and data. You can use your laptop, but for me, up to today, I still use my smartphone because I can't be carrying laptop everywhere. But with my smartphone, I can be pressing it anywhere. Okay, so that is for physical product. But I and my students all over the world, we don't promote physical products. I will tell you the reason why I advise them not to promote physical products. Now, digital products are things that we can see but cannot touch, and it is a thing that we always need on a regular basis. For example, music, ebook, audio, PDF, and so many of them like that. And these digital products are the hottest and fast selling products all over the world today. So now you can see the reason why I choose digital product for both me and all my students, because this is the fast selling product online business today. So compared to physical products, and that is why as a new beginner, you can at least make up to 150k to 200k every single week, because every day people listen to songs and every day people search for knowledge online. So you can see that the niche I choose for both me and my students is very broad. We can either sell music to people or decide to sell knowledge to people in form of podcast, ebook, or PDF, or any other digital product. So now, let me tell you the reason why I don't advise my students to advertise physical products. Let me use television as an example. You know, in today's world, only few houses you will go to today and you will not see television, which means if we have 100 houses today, for example, 90% already has television in their house, and the remaining 10 might be that they cannot afford television yet. So you see, you as an affiliate who choose to sell physical products that anyone can easily walk into a shop to pick by themselves, it will take you a very long time before you will see buyer. Hope you are getting my point. So these are what many coaches don't have knowledge of to tell their students, and it makes them to remain stuck in this affiliate marketing business for a very, very long time without making a single sales. Because even if people are truly seeing your advert, they won't click on it, and even if they click, they will just come to check the price to use it to compare with what they already have at home. They will not buy. But for digital product, it's not possible for people to go to shops and buy them like those deals. Even people that are selling books, physical book, most of them are packing up because ebook and PDF are taking over. Hope you're understanding all my explanation here. Now, everything is done digitally, either through phone or laptop. We can access both music, ebook, PDF, or podcast. All right, so now I have explained in depth about affiliate marketing business. Now let's choose company that we can work with. So we have many company, and it's left to you to choose which company you want to work with. For instance, we have companies like TradeByte, Espania, Jumia, Selar company, and so many other company like that. And all these company allow you to sell both physical and digital products. But the company I currently work with is called Selar company. Let me tell you the reason why I choose Selar company. I choose Selar company because if I sell product today, Selar company will credit me instantly in my wallet account, ready for me to withdraw. Other company that if you make sales, it will take them long time before they will credit you. Some company, it takes them up to 3 days, and while some company, it takes them up to 7 days before you will receive your money. So that is the reason why I prefer Selar company, because immediately as you are making your sales, you are receiving your money instantly. Now let's talk about how you will see customer that will buy the product from you, in case that is what you are thinking currently. So the answer to that is very, very simple, because you will just be in either your house, or if you have a shop, or you are in anywhere in this world, it is people that will be rushing to your DM. Everybody just want to buy. That is why I told you that I and my students, we don't sell product that is dull. We sell hot and fast selling product that people buy every single day. And that is why, as a beginner, under my coaching, you can generate at least 150k to 200k every single week, because I make everything easier for my students to understand and catch up easily. I hope you're understanding me. Okay, so right now you will be asking of how you can start. Yes, there is a training that you will need to undergo with the company. Like me, when I started this affiliate marketing business, I also undergo the same training, and it is a mind-blowing training that lasts just 7 days. It's very, very simple that even primary school students will understand without much stress. So right now, let me explain to you how you will enroll for your training and start immediately. You will need to register with the company, and once you register with the company, a page will be open to you to access your training immediately. So after you finish your training, the company will issue you your certificate as a digital marketer. So this certificate represents you as a certified affiliate marketer, and automatically you will have access to 70,000 different products that you can choose to sell. So you can see that you that have access to 70,000 products, there is no way that you won't make at least one sales in a day. And once you finish your training, it did not stop there. Remember, you are a business owner, and as a business owner, you need new strategies every time to keep up with your business. Yes. So we used to have a live class every Tuesday by 9 p.m. on Telegram, and also another live class every Saturday by 9 p.m. too on Twitter, which we now know as X. And any day that the class will not hold, it will be announced in the Millionaire Club, because after your registration, you will be added to the Millionaire group. And in that Millionaire group, we have 3,000 people in there from 14 different countries and still counting. Even most of your celebrities that you love and follow on social media are there. So it is a very big club. So what is our main job as an affiliate marketer? That is what you should be asking now. So as an affiliate marketer, this is how we operate. We are a middle person between companies and buyers. So for instance, let's say Nkechi need a brightening skincare product, but she don't know the best company to buy this product from. Now you as a middle person who has knowledge of product and best company, because having knowledge of product and company is part of what they will be teaching you in this training. So your work is to recommend the best company who has the kind of product that she is looking for and recommend to her. And when she buy and have made her payment, then the company will send you your own commission for recommending their company to Nkechi. And that is why here I always make sure my students undergo a proper training, so that when a customer land on your dashboard and want to buy a product, you will quickly know the right company and the best product to recommend that will meet their need on time, because most customers are very impatient. They always want fast answer, and once you are not able to give them the right answer on time, they will move to the next affiliate and automatically you have lost that sale. So hope you understand. So that is why some affiliates who are not aware of all this skill always lose customers to the hand of those who has the proper knowledge of what they are doing. So now you can see the importance of why you need this training so badly. Now, having all this in mind, what are the benefits of what you are going to learn in this training? There are a lot of benefits and values, but let me give you a few insights of what you are going to be learning from this training. This training is not only about affiliate marketing. You're not only learning about affiliate marketing, you still have a lot of benefits. And the first benefit is you'll be learning about adverts. You'll be learning how to generate a high quality lead that will definitely convert. Now, do you know that this advert training alone can put millions in your pocket every single week, just by helping small business owners to advertise on social media like Facebook, Instagram, and so on? Can fetch you millions, especially when your advert is converting. So you see, only this one is a niche on its own. And as an affiliate marketer, if you are not able to generate high quality lead that can convert, there is no way you can make sales. Hope you are getting my point. If you don't know how to generate leads, then there is no way you will make sales, because the more lead you get, the more sales you make. It's as simple as that. So number 2 is WhatsApp sales hack. This one too is a niche on its own. WhatsApp money is what is funding some people flamboyant lifestyle, but they won't tell you. Number 3 is product selection. This one too is a must, because selecting a high-paying commission product is not easy at all. But with the help of this training, it will make it easier for you. So the 4th one is sales tip, another top notch. As an affiliate marketer, if you are not making sales, if you don't know how to close sales, then why are you calling yourself an affiliate marketer? The 5th one is WhatsApp link creation. Yes, this one too is very, very important, because this is the link that your customer will click on your social media handle to locate you. So you need to create a professional link for yourself. Then the 6th one is how to design your adverts. This one too is very much important, because it is the first thing your customer will see that will make them to decide whether to do business with you or not. Remember that your advert is what will attract customers, so you need this particular one so much. The number 7 is graphic designing. This one you will be learning how to design flyers using your smartphone. This one on its own is a very high-paying job, and if you are able to master how to design with your smartphone, then nothing you cannot use to design flyers for your clients. So the 8th one is how to set up business WhatsApp automation without having issue with your WhatsApp. So this particular WhatsApp business automation is very, very interesting, because if you are the kind of person that has 2 business, you can put your affiliate marketing business on autopilot while you are doing other business. Then your WhatsApp business will be replying to people. This one on its own is a very sweet niche that you need to have too. So the 9th one is how to build a professional landing page for your business. This particular niche too, guys, is making people a millionaire only by helping other people build a landing page for their business. So number 10 is how to promote on social media without getting your handle being disabled. Number 11 is how to close sales without losing sales. Okay, let me just stop here because the benefit from this training is too much that I cannot mention all here to avoid this video being too long. So I will leave the rest for you to enroll and see to yourself. Now you can see that this training is packed with a lot of quality and a lot of benefits. And now you can see that after this training, you will be exposed to a lot of benefits on social media, and you will know how to make so much money for yourself from every angle on social media. All this package is coming along with your affiliate marketing training. The initial price for all of this amazing offer originally was 150k, but because the company is running a promo, so they have brought the price down, and that was why I have made this video to help everyone to benefit from this opportunity. So the promo price currently is 50,000 naira instead of 150k, and this promo has been going on for some past few months now, and it will end soon, and I know you wouldn't want to miss this opportunity. So if you have learned anything, or if this video makes sense to you, then give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop your comment on the comment section, and see you on the other video.